Hello viewers, welcome to Neidhal Online. Today we will be seeing 2 designer collection and 4 designs in regular wear dress materials, price ranging from $799 to $1499. All these products will be available in our website neidhal.com. Every day we post new collections on our website at 12 noon. We accept all modes of online payment and we do free shipping all over India. Orders are shipped in 2 days of ordering and tracking will be shared to your mail ID and SMS in 2 days after shipping. Delivery will take 3 to 7 working days from the day of shipping depending on the location. Viewers, kindly note there will be a slight variation in the shades of the dress materials due to the lighting we use for the videography. Let us see the first design in semi-tussar fabric. All these are bullion rose work and thread work done on yoke in beige color. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is slightly coarse and it needs lining. Take a closer view of the work. All these are thread work done neatly on yoke, and we have honey brown silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with organza dupatta in honey brown with floral embroidery and thread work done all over, as you can see, and dupatta has tassels. This is how the set looks. The cost of the set is $1499. Totally we have 5 color combinations in this. Let us see the next color. The next color is in dark maroon shade with peach combination. We have peach silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with organza dupatta with all over embroidery. This is how the set looks, priced at $1499. The next color is kind of light purple shade with navy blue combination. So this is the top, and bottom we have navy blue silk cotton bottom and dupatta in organza fabric with all over embroidery, priced at $1499. The next set we have in dark green shade with pink combination. We have pink silk cotton bottom for this, teamed with beautiful lightweight organza dupatta. This is how the set looks with all over embroidery, priced at $1499. The next shade is in kind of bluish grey shade with dark peachish pink combination, and this is the silk cotton bottom for this, and dupatta in dark peachish pink with thread work done all over, priced at $1499. Let us see the next design in silk cotton fabric. The fabric is soft, it's in blue color, light blue shade. All these are sequence work weaved along with the sequence work done along with the thread, along with the weaving, and these are zari thread work done in vertical lines and with fancy buttons. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is kind of bluish green, blue and with little green tinge. The top is rich with sequence work, and we have contrast piping in the daman. It is plain at the back, and the fabric is very soft and silky. We have pink teamed with contrast dark pink cotton bottom for this, and dupatta is in silk cotton fabric in golden beige color with heavy embroidery work done all over. All these are hand embroidery with tapings on all 4 sides. It's a colorful dupatta The design will change for every set because as these are handwork, these are unique. So every set has its own color combinations and prints might vary. The concept is same. This is how the set looks. Priced at 1579. We have 4 colors in this. The next color is peach with green combination. All these are sequence work and zari thread work. We have green cotton bottom for this set. And dupatta in golden beige color, silk cotton fabric with heavy embroidery all over. As I said here, the pattern is different. It is different for each and every set. So it's so colorfully done. All these are handwork with borders. So cost of the set is 1579. The next color is grey with red combination. We have red cotton bottom for this. And beautiful peacock dupatta, as you can see. See the print. All these are kanta stitch work done all over. Priced at 1579. The next is kind of fenugreek yellow with blue combination. We have blue cotton bottom for this. Dupatta in silk cotton dupatta in golden beige color with heavy kanta work done all over. This is how the dupatta looks with beautiful peacock design for this set. Let us see the next design. In cotton fabric, all these are bandhani printed all over with contrast taping in the daman. Let us see how the set looks. Here the lining is optional. The fabric is not too thick or not too thin. So it is bandhani printed all over. All these are printed and it also has golden prints. And the fabric is kind of cotton. And this is the daman with contrast red piping. And it is printed even at the back. We have red cotton bottom for this. It's a single color concept. And we have chiffon dupatta with thread work done all over. And tapings on all 4 sides. Sorry, the cost of this set is 979. Let us see the next design. The fabric is Bhagalpuri jute silk cotton fabric with batik prints all over in light green shade. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is slightly coarse. Even here the lining is optional. So these are the batik prints done all over. And we have small prints at the back. Kind of light green shade. And this is the bottom. Kind of a rust pink color. And prints, even we have prints even in the bottom, the lower part. Dupatta is dual shaded in jute silk cotton dupatta in batik print. This is how the dupatta looks in dual shaded with prints all over. And the cost of this set is 949. The same print, kind of maroonish brown shade with batik print all over. So this is the top. And we have bottom. This is the yellow bottom with batik prints on it. And dupatta is dual shaded, mustard yellow. and batik prints all over, priced at 949. The next color is yellow with turquoise green combination with batik prints. So this is the top. We have batik printed jute silk cotton bottom teamed with the batik printed dupatta. This is how the print looks, priced at 949. The next color is dark bluish grey with green combination. So this is the top, bottom in light green, batik printed, and dupatta is dual shaded. This is how the dupatta looks, priced at 949. Let us see the next design in pure cotton fabric. All these are original wax batik done all over, kind of purple color, purple with turquoise green combination. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is very soft and skin friendly in pure cotton fabric. So this is the print, and those prints are given for the sleeves. And it's also printed at the back. We have turquoise green cotton bottom and it is printed. So wax batik. And dupatta in soft mal cotton dupatta with self design. You can also see some checkered design, self design, and dual shaded with batik prints all over, priced at 949. We have around 6 color combinations in this with different prints. So the next design with a yoke unprinted, a kind of dark teal blue, and this is in dark cotton bottom, kind of orangish brown, and dupatta in mal cotton dupatta with batik prints all over, dual shaded. The cost of the set is 949. The next color is maroon with black combination. So this comes in the lower part in the daman, slightly slanted design. We have black cotton bottom for this, and dupatta is dual shaded, priced at 949. The next color is light mossy green with maroon combination. So with this prints all over, we have printed batik printed cotton bottom for this, and dupatta is dual shaded mal cotton dupatta, priced at 949. The next is fenugreek yellow with purple combination with violet color combination. So this is the print all over. We have violet batik printed cotton bottom and dual shaded mal cotton dupatta with batik prints, priced at 949. The next color is in blue shade, kind of light ink blue shade. So this is the print all over. We have dark blue, a deep navy blue cotton bottom with batik prints, and this print comes in the lower portion of the bottom, and dual shaded mull cotton dupatta with batik prints, priced at 949. Let us see the next design in silk cotton fabric. All these are woven design and with simple yoke and fancy buttons in maroon color. The fabric needs lining, and we have dark fenugreek yellow cotton bottom for this, teamed with chiffon dupatta, printed chiffon dupatta with tapings on all four sides. The cost of this set is 799. We have 4 color combinations in this. Let us see the next color. The next color is in dark mossy green with maroonish red combination. So this is the top, cotton bottom, and printed chiffon dupatta with tapings, priced at 799. The next color is pink with green combination in silk cotton fabric. So this is the top with simple yoke and fancy buttons, green cotton bottom for this, and printed chiffon dupatta in green color. This is how the set looks, priced at 799. Let us see the next color is blue with pink combination. We have dark pink cotton bottom for this. Dupatta is printed in chiffon fabric, priced at 799. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day.